I love this mural right here. Whoever did it did such a good job. One of these days I'm gonna take pictures in front of it. So nice. Look at the sky. I remember when I was little, they used to say when the sky is like that, there's plenty of fish in the sea. I don't know if that's true or not. But it looks pretty though. It's very nice. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Please subscribe if you have not. Thumbs up this video. Today I'm just showing a little bit part of my day. Taking a walk. I love taking a walk in the morning. If I don't take a walk, I just do some exercise at home, or I go to the gym. It looks like it was raining. I don't know, but over there is dry. Maybe it was the sprinklers. All right, I am taking a nice walk, and then actually I'm just coming from work. Yeah, I like this view here, this waterfall. I'm coming from work, feeling not too tired, so I decided to walk. I'm gonna walk for like 30 minutes. My goal is to move my body every day, whether, like I said, at home or at the gym or out here walking. Just doing a little bit at a time, because I do work quite a bit, and you know, I just want to keep moving my body. So after this, I'm gonna go home and shower, and then make myself something to eat. It's beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm going down a little bit of hill over here. Yeah. And then after that, I have to do an oil change today at 11 o'clock. After the oil change, I'm gonna come home, probably eat some lunch, and then get some rest before I go to work again later on. Yesterday was such a full day for me. Yesterday I had to take my son to Daytona Beach, Bethune-Cookman, for school. You know, that was like a whole day thing, and then when I came back home, I had to get ready to work like within an hour. So yeah, I miss him a lot already. Very, very much. Yeah, I pray for him, and I pray that God cover him, not just him and all the other kids trying to get the education. So stay tuned. I'll see what else I do today. Ignore the bag behind me. This is my little outfit. Try not to look as tired as I am. To go get my own change. My slippers is by the door, so just gonna put my head down. Nothing crazy. I decided on. I got a star foot. I never had one. In the name of Jesus, please do not break me out, okay? Because I never have one. Like, you know, I'm a little apprehensive when it comes to starting. You're allergic. Too bad then. Not too sweet, not too sour. It's like a neutral taste. I can't even say what it tastes like. It tastes good. I don't know, dude. Try it. Try that side. That's weird. The texture is so weird. I'm done getting my car oil changed. That was a long time, basically 2 hours. After 2 hours, I start getting cranky. So now I'm at Walgreens. Trying to find something for my son. The facial, bulldog facial wash. Boy, I don't want to use anything else. Oh, this is a good one. It was 19.99 and it's 9.99. Not bad. Look at this Olay. That's a clearance stuff here. Where's the men's stuff? Where are the men facial stuff? Oh, here. This is what I was looking for. They have the moisturizer. Oh yeah, they have the face wash. What's the deal? When you spend 25, you get $8 on Skin Intimate products. I just need the face wash. This is what my son uses, so I'm stacking up since they're on sale. I didn't even know that when you spend 25, you get 8. I have $8 in Walgreens cash to use, and I'm gonna get $8 back. So this is 24 between these two. This is 4.29, so I'm gonna pay a little bit out of pocket. But that's okay. That's what he used. That's what he likes, and it works for him. So I'm gonna get him. This is my Walgreens haul. I got the stuff my son needs to use. I spent over 25, and I didn't get the $8 register reward. I had some coupons. The man explained to me because I used those coupons right there. So that brought the total down under 25. So I didn't get the $8, which is unfair because before the coupons, it was $29. So, but I did get I did have a spend booster, which was like $5 when you spend 20. So I did get that, but I didn't get the extra $8, which was unfair. I'm getting frustrated with Walgreens with that. I'm gonna return this because I don't really need this. I was just buying this to make it 25, but since I'm gonna return that. Walgreens, that's not fair. This concludes spend the day with me. I'm gonna return the couple of items that I don't feel like I need them. I'm just gonna keep the face washes. I'm gonna go home and sleep so I can get ready to go back to work tonight. I'm really, really tired. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to comment and like and subscribe.